how to make yogurt in an Instant Pot. Today I'm going to make yogurt using Instant Pot. So it's going to be Greek yogurt here, and it's very important when the starter you use, it has to have here contain live culture. That's very, very important. Okay, and I'm using whole milk here, and that's it, just two ingredients. Okay, and what you could do, you can use just a normal lid like this lid, or you can use just the, of course, instant pot lid, but you don't need any sealing in it. Okay, all right, so let's add the milk first and boil it. So the first thing we need to do here, right, okay, so the first thing here we need to do, just need to put the program in. So it's not just started, so we need to press yogurt. Okay, so this is what you press yogurt, and then of course it comes 8. So now what we need to go to high, so we press here, press custom, and then turn it to high, and then that's boil, and that's what we want. So now I'm gonna add the milk, so I'm gonna go up, not starting it yet, so let's go up here. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the milk. I'm gonna boil the milk. So this is 2 pints of milk. You can do 4 pints if you want. So this is exactly 4 pints of milk. All right, so that's what we have. So now you can put this lid, normal lid, or you can, but without any sealings. So we need to press start. There you go, and it starts. And then when you finish, I come back when it's finished. So now it's just starting to preheating now. Okay, let's just come back when it's boiled. And actually you don't need to close it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to keep this on there, yeah, just in case. We just don't want any flies or anything, but it's fine. Okay, so here you can see it now, it's started to get hot. You can see it coming up. So in a minute it's going to start cooking or start heating up more. So now it starts boiling, you can see and you can hear it. So heating, it's starting to boil now. Now it's finished, it's the end. So all is done now. So the one thing I'm going to do is get rid of, you can see there the layer. So I'm going to get rid of that layer first before I cool it down, because I need to cool this down. Okay. So let's check the temperature of the milk. The temperature of the milk is, wow, is there, as you can see there, 79, 80, still going up, about 80 degrees centigrade. Right, so now we're gonna have to put this in ice water. So let's do it. Now we put it in ice water for only for a few minutes and check the temperature. We want it about 45 degrees centigrade or 104 Fahrenheit. Oh, so it's there, some of it is cold, some of it. Now let me take it out actually, because let's just give it a shake. Yeah, just make sure. We don't want to make sure that it's going to set. So I think it's probably now I need to take it out. Okay, let's take it out now. 44. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to add the starter now. So 1, 2, and 3. Do you know what? I'm going to add more. That's fine. That's okay. All right. Okay. So now stir well. Really stir. Now press yogurt and then you have 8 hours there. It is ready, so just gonna have to press it. There you go, and then you start counting down from 8 hours until it finishes. Okay, so then we'll come back when it's all done and finished. So I'm just gonna put the lid now, because that's much safer, because there's nothing in it, no sealing, nothing. So I'm just gonna put the lid. Okay, and that's it. And then come back when it's all finished. Now it's 8 hours finished, gone, and now we'll open it. So here it looks really promising, isn't it? So this now needs to go into the fridge. So I'm gonna take it out and put it in the fridge. There you go. So the fridge. So here's the fridge. I've taken the yogurt out of the fridge. So now let's see a moment of truth. Let's see what's going on. Wow, look at that. Yay, it's done. Wow, okay, now I'm actually trying to taste it and see. Wow, yeah, beautiful. So this is what I'm making. So it could be any fruit that you like. So I'm making compote, and then I'll add it to the yogurt. Okay, now so this is now finished. So this is what's like. So it's perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna leave it to cool down, and then I'm gonna add it to the yogurt. Now the fruit compote is ready, so now I'm gonna divide the yogurt into 2 containers, and then I'll try to mix a little bit of yogurt with the fruit compote. So now, depending on your taste, you can add fruit compote, you can add golden syrup, or any fruit that you like. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.